Last night was a really strong thunderstorm. Look at this now. Beautiful again. Nothing about the rain. It's like a little bit on this side. There is a lot of clouds, but otherwise, yeah. Morning coffee, something to eat, and then I can go. Today we gonna do some fun in the water, practice rescue 7. We'll see what the day will bring us. See ya. Today we have some crazy ideas. Yesterday we did ballet. It was nice, right? So today we're gonna continue with another stuff, different. No dancing underwater anymore, but we will do something else. The guys are going to practice rescue 7, so I'm making sure everything is perfect. for lunch. It was a long day. Now it's over. Just was in a shop and bought something like veggies for the dinner, and then the guys are doing something here. It's a peanut harvest. By the way, I have to show you how the peanut is look like. So yeah, peanut harvest is now on, and so there is another one. See, that's how much peanut we have here. It's interesting actually how it's growing. It's just like a plant. We'll take one time lapse now, and then going home, start editing, and tomorrow another day. So tomorrow I have a plan to do some side mount dives. That will be interesting for you. We're gonna go to the new rack and just a little bit mess around that place. That's gonna be interesting. It's just like a shortcut through the rice pads, nothing else. And then now I'm driving with one hand and passing by the motorbikes. Oh, there is also a harvest of the, what is that? It's also the harvest of peanuts, or maybe not. Okay. Oh. That looks good. We'll see what will happen when the sun will set. No? Yeah, so there's some small temple here. And that's the thing. Alam. Okay, I arrived. I think that's my place.